Happy Friday. How we doing today? Exhaust manifold off of the 4G93 Mitsubishi. It's got two broken off studs. I'm going to try to weld them out. It doesn't always work, but here we go. There you go, then threads came out great. Bolts were just bonded in there, and welding doesn't always work. Hey, if you want to see how I actually got them out, there's a link right down here to the full-length video of how I actually finished the repair. Thanks for coming along, you guys. You guys come back and see me again, all right? And have a nice night, and be nice to each other. Bye.